What up? This is my friend Raf, and this is his truck. As you guys can see from his truck, Raf enjoys going away from things like electricity and running water. But when he's out there hanging out with Bear Grylls and Yogi Bear, he still enjoys nice things in life like pot and pans. So today, we're building truck bed storage drawer for Raf. Let's go! So I got a question. For those of you who build things for fun, what do you guys do when friends and family ask you to build something? For me, it depends on who's asking and what are they asking me to make. I've known Ralph for a while now, and this project sounds pretty simple and fun. At least that's what I thought at first. Of course, the next question is, do you guys charge friends and family? And if so, how much? I actually have different approach to this. I'll share my approach by the end of the video, so keep watching. I break down my project into shorter sessions. And usually the first session is cutting down parts. Well, not all parts. Right now I'm cutting down the frame and the side panel of the drawer. This is because the front and back panels of the drawer and the drawer face require relative dimensioning. It basically means that the size of these parts is relative to the other parts. So you cut them later when you have other parts ready. Also, relative dimensioning is such a cool word. I just want to say it so I sound smarter than I really am. Let me be, guys. For the second session, my original plan was to put the frame and drawers together. But this actually proved a little bit too ambitious, mainly because really deep drawer is not as easy as I thought it should be. I'm trying to mark straight line down the middle. If you guys think it's not straight, click subscribe. If you guys think it sucks, leave a comment. Ralph came back with his truck so we can do fit check before we put all the parts together. This is the 50-inch drawer slides that we're going to use for this project, and I never worked with anything this long and deep before. It is a lot less forgiving than regular drawer slide. I lost the footage of me building this drawer, but it's okay because as you guys can see, it wasn't built well, it didn't fit well, and it's just not sliding smoothly. So we had to disassemble this drawer and we called it a day because we were tired by then. It's a new day and today I'm flying solo. Today I'm going to remake the drawer, make them fit a little bit better, and after that install them on the frame. There's nothing special about the construction of this drawer. There are tons of YouTube videos on how to make drawers. My favorite is the one from Bourbon Mart channel. In fact, his video is the one that I use as a tutorial to make most of my drawers, so be sure to check the video out. As I said before, this really deep drawer slide is a lot less forgiving. You have to make sure that it's level from front to back. I check multiple times during the process to make sure that it's level. And this is the result. You can see how happy I was. I built and installed the second drawer of camera. And now I am ready to install the top and finish the frame. In my original design, the top was a little bit wider than the body, so there was a little bit of overhang that covers the wheel well. This wider top sounds like a great idea because I thought you will be able to put more stuff on top of the drawer, for example, a mattress. However, as I built this, I realized that this overhang will create a dead space that cannot be accessed behind the wheel well. I asked Ruff what he wants to do, and we went through a few different options. In the end, he opted for the simple solution of just cut the top to match the size of the body. That's great. For the carpet top, we used this marine grade carpet from a website called Fivor. And speaking of Fivor, it's actually a pretty cool website that I found recently, and you can buy a lot of tools for half the price. For example, this bandsaw. By the way, we're kinda lucky that my assembly table is the same height with the truck bed because my gosh, this thing is really heavy, ain't gonna lift this anytime soon. I gotta say it looks pretty nice. Now, we don't have the drawer face yet. That's next. To do that, we're going to my office and go to my 3D printer where I printed the routing template for the drawer face. Before template routing, I need to cut out most of the material using jigsaw. Here I'm putting painter's tape to prevent tear out from the jigsaw blade. And here's a life pro tip. If you need any double tape, get a carpet tape. Not only for woodworking, for anything. It's the best value tape out there and it's really strong. Hey guys, this is Joseph from the future. The reason why I'm here is because I'm a little bit of a noob when it comes to this content creation thing. I lost my footage of finishing and installing the drawer face. So here's the next best thing. Here's the picture of the drawer face before trims and finishing. And here's the picture of the drawer face after trims and finishing. And here's a short clip of it after it's installed. At the beginning of the video, I promised you guys that I'm going to share you guys my approach when friends and family ask me to build something. To start with, let's talk about cost. This whole project material costs around 700 Canadian dollars. So that's around 500 freedom dollars. So it's not cheap. So generally what I tell my friends and family is they need to pay at least for the materials, because I don't make any money from this video and I ain't paying for any stuff that they're going to use. And the second thing that I told them is if they appreciate what I do for them, I have a wish list of things that I need to buy for my hobby: woodworking, metalworking, 3D printing, or this content creation thing. So it's up to them how much they want to spend and whether they want to buy me something or not. I leave it up to them. And I guess, you know what? I think it's pretty brilliant, but at the same time, it gives you a measure of how much your friends and family appreciate you, that's probably not such a great idea if they don't really like you. But anyways, whatever, I don't take it personally. I think that's a good alternative. If you guys want to do the same thing, let me know. I might be able to share the templates that I use for my wishlist. Anyways, here's the video of the drawers in its natural habitat.